Would you like a free roof inspection? Roof inspections are important for maintaining the integrity of your home or business. Small problems can often be detected and repaired before they become major issues. But you've got enough on your plate without having to worry about getting up on the roof and inspecting it yourself. That's where we come in. Our team of experienced professionals will come out and inspect your roof for free. Waiting too long can result in extensive damage that will be expensive to repair. Don't wait. Schedule your free roof inspection today. It's easy to put off getting your roof inspected. After all, if it ain't broken, why fix it? But small problems can often turn into big ones if they are not taken care of early on. When it does manage to be broken, it's often very expensive to fix. That's why we offer free roof inspections. Our team of experts will come out and take a look at your roof, so you don't have to worry about it. Schedule your free inspection today and rest easy knowing that your roof is in good hands. Call 225-369-1119.